Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2011 BL Mazda3. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 to the 10th month 2013. Stock number is 4515. This vehicle has a 2-litre 4-cylinder LF engine code, backed by a 6-speed front-wheel drive manual transmission. Here we have the 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol LF engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front of the vehicle. Left-hand guard, no good. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch standard steel rims, left-hand front with a good tyre. Left-hand electric door mirror, non-indicator type. Left-hand front door in good insurance quality. Left-hand rear door in good insurance quality. Left-hand rear 15-inch standard steel rim with good tyre. Left-hand tail light on body. Left-hand garnish or bootlid light. The rear bar was damaged on this vehicle. Here we have a good insurance tailgate, comes complete with your garnishes and your wiper. Right hand rear garnish light or bootlid light. Right hand tail light on body. Right hand rear steel 15-inch rim with good tyre. Right hand rear door in good insurance quality. Right hand front door suits a good private. Right hand door mirror, non-indicator electric type. The guard sustained damage in the accident. Right hand front 15-inch steel rim with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, driver's side seat, center console lid, center console, passenger front seat. This vehicle is fitted with a factory 6-stack CD player. Comes with a factory 3-spoke black vinyl steering wheel in good condition. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.